sir.
Hello, welcome sir.
Thank you.
Welcome to Martham Resort. Thank you very much.
Namaste, sir.
Hello friends, I am at the beautiful resort. It's called Martham Village Resort in the lap of Eastern Himalaya in the state of Sikkim. I have just checked in today. This is my first day. I'll be spending at least two nights and 3 days here, and obviously experiencing all the beautiful activities they have to offer. And I must tell you, if you're coming from Siliguri or from Gangtok, this is actually in a quiet corner. This is not typical touristy place where you have thousands of crowd and thousands of tourists and noise. It's not like that. It's spatially hidden. It's like a hidden gems, hidden in the small beautiful valley in a village. So Martham Village Resort is actually situated in the village of Martham, which is around 1 hour journey from Gangtok, which is the state capital of Sikkim. It's like 25-26 kilometers approximately if you're coming via Gangtok. From Gangtok, around 3-4 kilometers, there is this beautiful hotel called Mayfair. From there, you can take a turn, and from there, it will take another, say, 45 minutes. And then on the way, you will find Rumtek Monastery, which is also a beautiful and ancient monastery. From Rumtek Monastery, it will take around, say, 5 to 6 kilometers. But if you're coming from Siliguri, there is another way. From Singtam, you can take a turn, and then there is a place called Sherwani. So you have to come via Sherwani to Martham, which will take another approximately 1 hour or so. Please watch the full video to understand and know more about this beautiful place and this beautiful property. It is also a heritage property, which the main building was built more than 200 years back. This is a beautiful eco and village resort. Anybody who loves to connect with nature and want to spend few days in a quite beautiful place with obviously luxurious ambience and decor, this is the place. It's called Martham Village Resort, and they have 13 beautiful cottages. Out of them, 2 cottages are like family cottages, which has 2 bedrooms, and the whole area is huge, actually covered with lush green forest, and there are paddy fields. The valleys are beautiful. There are lots of activities they're offering. You can go for village walk, nature walk, bird watching. There are beautiful waterfalls around. There are some ancient monasteries, Buddhist monasteries here. You can try the local Sikkimese cuisine, which is just finger licking and mouth-watering taste. So I'm entering. This is my room. In fact, we are going to go to the paddy field because this is the season where they will be sowing the rice, and I'm going to take part in that for the local villages. It's actually a terrace field, that's what they called it, because it's not like in plains how generally we have paddy fields. It's more like staircases. You have stairs cut through the mountain. It's all by hand. It's too much of labor, and as usual, the mountain village people, they are strong and laborious and big-hearted, yeah, so they work a lot. As you can see, this is the whole area. If you see that side, from here, beautiful vista, beautiful, amazing view of the surrounding valley opens up from here. And actually, some bonfire, open-air dinner, something can be organized here if the weather permits. My room, in the beautiful cottage room in Martham Village Resort in Sikkim. Rainy season actually, so the best time to come here is October, November. That's the time when the weather is completely clear.